In this part, we will look at the Gwnaethoch pattern. Gwnaethoch also means you did or you made, but chi is used for more formal situations, and ti for informal situations or with familiar people. We can also use Gwnaethoch in a plural context, but you will learn more about this later on in the course. In this unit, we are focusing on the first-person answers. The treiglad meddal rules are the same as earlier. Remember, there is a treiglad meddal after Gwnaethoch, just like gwnes I and gwnes ti. Look at this example. Gwnaethoch baned. You made a cuppa. You can also use Gwnaethoch as a question, but remember to mutate softly at the beginning. Gwnaethoch chi fynd i'r dre? Gwnaethoch chi ffonio cleient? Gwnaethoch chi adael yn gynnar? Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Say after me. Gwnaethoch chi fynd i'r dre? Gwnaethoch chi ffonio cleient? Gwnaethoch chi adael yn gynnar? Again, to answer these questions, use do, naddo. When asking beth, what, remember to use the treiglad meddal. Beth wnaethoch chi ddoe? Beth wnaethoch chi neithiwr? When answering, use the first-person pattern gwnes I. If you are asked beth wnes ti or beth wnaethoch chi, the answer will be the same. Gwnes I. Let's practice. Remember to say the questions and the answers out loud. Beth wnaethoch chi ddoe? Gwnes I fynd I gyfarfod. I went to a meeting. Beth wnaethoch chi ddoe? Gwnes I ffeilio'r gwaith papur. I filed the paperwork. Beth wnaethoch chi? Gwnes I archebu nwyddau. I ordered goods, merchandise. Beth wnaethoch chi neithiwr? Gwnes I fynd am dro. I went for a walk. Beth wnaethoch chi neithiwr? Gwnes I goginio swper. I cooked supper. Beth wnaethoch chi neithiwr? Gwnes I ddarllen llyfr. I read a book. Da iawn. Mae hi'n amser ymarfer nawr. It's time to practice now and put these patterns to use. Remember, you can watch this video back at any time if you want to revise.